can we give the kids all a big round of applause?
Cowboy Builder! Yay, yay, yay! Sing Cowboy! Yay, yay,
everyone for coming over. I'm glad you all are here for celebrate my 8th birthday. I would like to thank a few people, my parents who organized this Lego team birthday party for me. Thank you Daddy and Mommy for renting this beautiful mall for me to celebrate my birthday. I love the decoration. Look at these beautiful balloons, paper fan and rain curtain. Next, I would like to show my Lego cars, Lego house, and Lego toys to match today's theme. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy, for preparing this delicious food and delicious drink. There are fishball, meatball, donut, burger, sandwiches, lemonade, hot chocolate, and ice cream. I would also like to thank my friend for giving me a lot of presents. Thank you, Yumiya, Kaifu, Kaden Law, DGN, Kulikson, from Danyu, Chinese Shen, Back Izun, and Ding Kai Hong. Thank you all the birthday presents and wishes. Continue enjoy the party. Thank you.
Well done, how Monkey. Monkey is a very caring person. He remembers every single friend and makes sure that he remembers everyone and speaks out. Alright, well done, Monkey. Thank you so much, how Monkey.